Good morning students. Today we are starting a new chapter for class 6, chapter 3, Word 2010, Tabular Presentation. Students, in previous class we have already studied about Word, or you can say that MS Word. So let's discuss what is word processor first. A word processor is a device or computer program that provides for input, editing, formatting and output of text, often with some additional features also. The functions of word processor program falls somewhere between those of simple text editor and fully functioned desktop publishing program. Microsoft Word offers a flexible features of presenting information in tabular form. In this chapter, we will learn to create, modify and format a table to present a data in a effective manner. So, this chapter is MS Word, but according to the name of this chapter, the name of the chapter is Tabular Presentation. So, tabular means related to table. So, we will do work on table. How to create table, how to delete table, how to insert table, how to add columns, how to row deletes, how to add rows, like that. We will discuss about table. So, students, before starting this chapter, first we will understand about table. Table is a method of presenting data in a document in rows and columns. A table is a structure of vertical columns and horizontal rows. Interaction of columns and rows is called a cell. Each cell can contain text or graphics. You can write text also, or you can keep graphics also in your column or in your row. And you can format the table in any way you want. If you want to do colors in the table, you can do. If you want if you want to do colors in the text, you can do. Whatever you want to do, you can do. A word table can contain as many as 63 columns, but the number of rows is unlimited. You can add only 63 columns, but rows is unlimited. How much you want, you can add or you can create. Students, all of you know how to start MS Word or how to open MS Word. But again I am going to tell you how to start MS Word. Students, you can see here, this is our desktop. Okay, first click on this start button. You can see here, this is our start button. Click here. Just go to the MS Office, then afterwards go to the MS Word. Whatever version you have, Microsoft Word 2007, Microsoft Word 2010, whatever version you have, you can go there. Just you have to click here. Now you can see our Word is open. This is MS Word, Microsoft Word. Students, today we will learn how to create a table. A table can be simple or complex both. These are the steps to create a table. What are the steps? Step 1. Click the insert tab. Click the insert tab followed by the table button. When you can move your mouse over the grid cell, it makes a table. You can make your table having the desired number of rows and columns. Step 2. Click the square representing the lower right corner of your table. which will create an actual table in your document, and Word goes in the table design mode. Now students, see practically how to create a table. First you have to click in this insert menu, because you are going to insert a table, so you have to click on insert menu. Click here. You can see here table is here. Just click here. Just see students, where you will put your cursor. See, here I am dragging my mouse here in this corner, and you can see here this side table is creating. How my mouse is moving, table is changing its shape. How much rows and columns you want to add, you can add. This is the grid. How much you want, you can add or create from here. You can, if you want so many, then like this. If you want less columns, then less columns. More columns, then more columns. How much you want, you can create. Okay. And step 2 is just you have to click on this squares. Now I am going to click on the squares. Just I have clicked. You can see here in the screen. Now our table is created. In this way you can create your own table in MS Word. Now students, next topic is deleting a table. How you can delete a table, or how you can delete your table. Now step 1, click anywhere in the table you want to delete. And step 2, click the layout tab and click the delete option under the delete button to delete the complete table from the document along with its content. Here I have created a table to show you how we can delete a table. Okay. First step is click anywhere in the table you want to delete. Suppose students, we want to delete this rows and columns, this first one. Then what you have to do, first you have to select this. I have selected this first one. Then you have to click on the layout tab. Here you can see the students, you can see here in the last it is there layout tab. You have to click on this layout tab. Okay. This one is home tab, insert tab, page layout, then references tab, mailing tabs, like this. In the last it is here layout tab. You have to click on this layout tab. Students, just you have to click here. When you will click here, the option will show here. It is written here. See, delete. Delete is there. Okay. Just click on this triangle. You can see delete cell, delete columns, delete rows and delete table. What you want to do? First we will click in this delete cell and you will see what will happen. Just I have clicked delete columns. Students, just see, I have clicked here delete rows. Okay, what you want to do? Delete cells, delete columns, delete rows. What you want to do? You can delete. First I will click here delete rows. Click here. You can see here before this we have 4 columns. Okay, now we have 3. Suppose students, if you want to delete the full table, then what you have to do? First you have to click on this selection. Click here. You can see our full table is selected. Then go to this layout. Then this delete option. Click here in this triangle. Okay. And here it is written delete table. Just when I will click here, the table will go. Just click here. I am going to click 1, 2, 3. Click. You can see our table is deleted. In this way, students, you can delete your table also. Students, I hope you understood this video. So students, your class work is to write these 3 questions. First question is, what is table in Word 2010? Then second question, how can we create a table in Word? And third question, how can we delete a table in Word? In this 2 questions, how can we create a table or how can we delete a table in Word? In these questions you have to write these steps. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.